If you're a homeowner in Rockford, Illinois, you know how important first impressions are, especially when it comes to your home's exterior. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to take pride in how it looks, one of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades is window replacement. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal, increase its value, and make it stand out in your neighborhood. Here's how replacing your windows can transform your Rockford home's appearance, and why it's an upgrade worth considering. A fresh, updated look. Old or outdated windows can age your home significantly. Faded frames, cracked glass, fogged panes, or styles that no longer match your home's architecture can all detract from its appearance. Replacing them with modern, stylish, and clean-lined windows instantly revitalizes your home's exterior. Whether your Rockford home is a charming older property in a historic district or a modern build in a suburban neighborhood, choosing the right window style and frame color can enhance your home's design and give it a polished, cohesive look. Custom styles that complement your home. Window replacement isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Today's windows come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes, so you can choose designs that complement your home's unique character. For example, double-hung windows work beautifully in traditional and colonial-style homes. Casement or awning windows are ideal for contemporary or modern houses. Bay and bow windows create architectural interest and add depth to your home's front elevation. Black window frames are trending for modern farmhouse and industrial aesthetics, giving your exterior a bold, eye-catching contrast. With expert guidance, you can choose a window design that truly enhances your home's identity. Enhanced symmetry and proportion. Old windows are often mismatched, uneven, or improperly sized due to past renovations. A full window replacement project allows you to restore balance and proportion to your home's facade. Replacing all your windows at once also ensures a uniform appearance that looks intentional and high-end. This symmetry and consistency can add visual harmony to your home, which real estate experts say boosts curb appeal significantly, something especially valuable in Rockford's competitive housing market. Clean, crystal clear glass. Nothing detracts from a home's appearance more than foggy, cracked, or stained window glass. Over time, seals can fail and moisture can get trapped between panes, especially in Rockford's humid summers and cold winters. New windows provide not only fresh glass but also advanced technologies such as low-E coatings that keep your windows clearer, longer. Your home will sparkle from the curb, and that clean look sends a message that your home is well maintained, inside and out. Improved energy efficiency, and it shows. Energy-efficient windows don't just benefit your utility bills, they can also boost your curb appeal. Many newer window styles are built with sleek, slimmer frames and larger panes, giving your home a more open, modern feel. In addition, new energy-efficient windows often meet local utility rebate programs, which can be an attractive selling point. Rockford's variable climate makes energy savings especially relevant. Buyers and neighbors alike will notice when your home feels warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and looks better all year round. Increased resale value. Curb appeal is one of the most important factors in a buyer's first impression, and windows are a big part of that equation. According to real estate professionals, window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment when it comes to exterior home upgrades. If you're considering selling your Rockford home, new windows can set your property apart from others on the market. Final thoughts. Your home's exterior sets the tone for everything inside, and your windows play a key role in that visual impact. If you're ready to refresh your home's look, boost its value, and increase energy efficiency, window replacement is a smart, stylish choice for Rockford homeowners. Ready to get started? Work with a trusted local window contractor who understands Rockford's architecture, weather, and homeowner needs to guide you to the best options for your home.